So let's look at everything I ended up getting. I'm so excited, guys. This Target was so fun. I am so sad that I don't have this in Canada, but I figured for all the other people who don't have Target with me, you can see what it's like and see some of these slime things I got and see if any of it interests you. I got some pretty cool things, so let's just get into them. So first up, I got this Slimy Goop Mystery Mix Surprise minifigure inside. There's the surprise thingy, and it looks like a really glittery slime with some fun add-ins. And then here is some Pantene Pure Volume shampoo. I got this because it was a clear shampoo that I saw, and I thought it'd be cool to add into slime and see what happens. And then I got two of these. It's Amazing Slime Glitter Palooza something. I don't know the brand of this, but it's some blue glittery slime, and none of this is sponsored or anything like that. I just bought all this with my own money because I love slime. So here's Amazing Slime Neon Brights. And then here is this extra buttery fluff marshmallow cream slime, and I'm excited to see if it's super fluffy and fun because that would be awesome. And then I got Karina Garcia's slime kits. I got 4 of them. I got the Seaside Taffy movie snacks and the soda slime pack. So those are exciting. And then down here are some metallic pom-poms that I thought would be super cute in slime. And I'll see if they shed, and I'll let you guys know because I'm thinking that the little tinsel parts might shed into the slime, but we shall see. Here I have this Fizz and Surprise. It's a little dragon something. I thought it'd be cool to drop in the water and do some ASMR with that. I'm not sure, but we'll see. And then here's this Smacker Lip Balm thing, and I saw Slime Bananas, I think, do a video that I was really inspired by, so I thought this would be cool to like cut them all up and add it to slime in that kind of like candle slime type way. So I thought that'd be fun. Let me know if you guys want to see something like that and what your favorite flavor of Skittles is. Comment down below. And then here is some string lights. I thought these would look super cute on my bookshelves or like the shelves where I put slime too. So that's what they look like on. And here is a tripod that I got because I'm here on vacation in Florida, so I don't have a tripod. So I thought I would try this one out, see if it works for my slime videos. And then here is some Amazing Slime, and it's down side up, and it's the Out There collection. I think this is inspired by like Stranger Things. Yeah. So this one, I think it's like a blackish, bluish, glittery type texture, so we'll see. And then over here is some Glow Ooze, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to see if it's like a jiggly texture or not. And then I have some more Slimy Goop Mystery Mix-Ums. So, reveal, mix, and play. So there's a mystery little thing there. Surprise minifigure. There's some pony beads and some foam beads with the same iridescent slime. And then I got this. It's Infinity Rainbow Non-Toxic slime. And it's this color mix. I'm excited to see because it looks really pretty, but I wonder why it didn't mix yet, because usually slime mixes pretty quickly and it looks like it was there for a while. So, yep. And then here I got Maggot Madness. Pretty gross. But I like this blue color, so I figured it'd be fun to play with. And then I got some Nickelodeon slime. I had to get that. It's Ooey Gooey Fun Neon Green by Crazy Art. And then here is Planet Putty. It's latex free, non-toxic, all that stuff. It's like a grainy, pearly color, I would say. And then here is this little egg lip balm, and I thought this would be fun to add to slime as well if I melt it down. And then here is some super stretchy, oddly satisfying mix and mash, mix 'em, mash 'em, confetti mash, fluffy pink and rainbow foam. So it's ready made, and I'm just gonna mix them together in a really satisfying video, I hope. I saw, I think Lulu Makes Flicks play with this, and it looked pretty cool, so I'm excited to try it out. And then over here I have this Zuru Oosh Putty, and it's liquid glass. And there was a bunch of other textures as well, but I thought liquid glass would be pretty cool. So you could apparently tear it, stamp it, twist it, stretch it. That sounds like that Bop It thing. And then next up is some Smart Putty. So this is by Crazy Art. So I thought this might be different than the usual Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty that I usually see, because it's color changing, and I just thought it might be different, and it looks super cool in that photo right there. So yeah, again, this is by Crazy Art. And then over here, it's so cute. This is not slime related, but it's so adorable. I have to show you guys. It's a little fluffy sloth. There's the tag, it's a little plush. And it was in like the baby section, but I thought it was so cute and I couldn't leave without it. Oh, so adorable. Okay, and then next up we have some mystical, magical, sparkly unicorn poop. So it's obviously slime or some sort of putty. So I figured it'd be fun to check it out. It says, rare and wondrous, your unicorn poop can melt, stretch, and bounce. Marvel at its magical glory. So yeah, I thought that would be so much fun to get my hands on. And we have a couple more things here. So this is a tiny wubble tiny wubble full of slime, I think. And so I thought this would be fun to squish and see what that's all about. Yeah. It's a tiny wubble something. Yes. I think there's like huge ones too, but I got this little one. And I got some super pretty glitter, guys. Look at this mix. I love it so much. I just had to. I have so much glitter already, but I just couldn't leave without this one. So those are some super pretty glitters. And then this one, it's hollow. Oh my goodness. And yes, this actually is hollow. I know people are always like, no, it's not actually hollow, but this one is. Look, it's rainbow. You see all the colors. And it's, well, I don't have the best direct light here, but you can kind of see. And then over here, I have these Melty Pops by Nom Noms. And it's supposed to be scented melting slime. And it's a Galaxy Pop is the one I got. And it says, find hidden Nom Noms. I don't even know what Nom Noms are, but I saw slime and I was like, I better grab it. So then here are all the different types, I guess. And I got the Galaxy Pop, but there's also Sprinkle Pop. I saw that one there, but then this one was pretty cool because it was unmixed, but it looked like the Sprinkle Pop was more mixed up. And then there's Tropical Pop, Peachy Pop, Candy Stripe Pop, Sour Berry Pop, Melon Pop, and Blueberry Pop. That's a lot of pops. And they're called snackables. But you know, never actually eat slime, not actually snacks. And then I got a couple kits, so let me show you those. These first two kits I got were Moon Mud and Quicksand. And you make your own slime and swirling slimy sand, if I can say that. It's a tongue twister. So I got these two kits and I thought they would be fun to try out. I've never seen them before. Then I got this Compound Kings Mix and Mash. And so there's a teal fluffy slime, purple fluffy pearl glitz, pinky glitz. You can customize and make your own slime. And then there's Metallic Squooshos. It's a DIY stress ball. One has instant snow and the other one has expanding water beads. So I thought that would be pretty cool. And then last, but certainly not least, I have this super cool Compound Kings creation pack with soft clay, clear clay, and clear the slime. I'm not sure what that is, but I am very excited to try it out and see what this is all about because I've never seen clear clay before. So I am super excited.